Alright, so it's the shaft. See it up there? Like I said, I'm keeping my distance. There's a governor. Do not attempt this. I'm doing this properly. I know what I'm doing. I'm not going to fall in the elevator shaft. I'm not going to go in there. There's another electrical room here. There's a sprinkler, non-potable water. I don't know what this is going to be, but it's going to be a boiler room here. More water pipes, more sprinkler pipes. And here, we got some unknown room. I don't know what it's going to be, but here's the antifreeze, fire sprinkler, riser, and boiler room. Do not drywall this room yet. This is amazing. Non-potable water goes down into sump pump. There's some water over there. There's some water inside the sump pump. It looks clean, but I'm gonna tell you it's not. So yeah, that's what this is gonna be. Antifreeze, fire sprinkler. But keep going, KONE. This is the electrical room. The basement electrical room. Main electrical room. And yeah. Here are the breakers. A lot of breakers. These breakers are huge. That is locked for security reasons. See, look at this. See? Power break. These look European. These are turned off. These are European breakers. More American breakers. Spectra series. Humongous transformer. Yeah, wow. I don't know what this is going to be, but it's going to be something. More breakers, another European breaker, and more. You never touch those wires, ever. Otherwise, you will be immediately killed. So never touch anything in the electrical room if you've been given permission. Don't touch a thing. They need bathrooms. This is going to be the kitchen. The refrigerators are off. It's the new bathroom. They're doing their best job with this Mosque, and that elevator is going to be so fun to ride. Here's the lower units. Here is a fire damper access. It's for a furnace. I don't know what's gonna be here, but they're doing some great progress. There are like so many staircases in this building. This is the largest mosque, and this is probably what the ceiling is gonna look like. Instead of being covered with something, it's gonna look like this. It's very comfortable with what it looks like now. It's another sump pump filled with water. Here's a drain. It's gonna be the basement auditorium. But these restricted areas are open. Here's another electrical room, mini electrical room panel. You can see all this is switched off. See, another unfinished bit. This, we're gonna get out of here. But that was Masjid is gonna look nice. I wish the elevator was placed here, but it's here. No elevators in masjids will be made glass unless otherwise. Unfortunately. Alright. No, we need to get out of here. Guess what, guys? This is a KONE EcoDisc and it hasn't been built yet. I'm in the construction area, so yeah. Here's the EcoDisc motor. There's your, well, actually the European car top station over here. But yeah. Great job, KONE. You were doing a good job right now. Thank you for installing this elevator. Look, it's closed.
I know, yeah.
You see this?
Elevator is closed.
See? KONE is working on it. You see the company name down there?
Uh-huh.
This is the motor. Doesn't it look interesting?
It does. It does.
This is a traction elevator.
I haven't seen an elevator while
Shaft.
it's like still being constructed.
Now, don't touch any of this. Don't get on top of the elevator.
No way.
You have to be 18 plus and you have to have permission to go on top of this. And none of us have permission except for who works here.